What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to replace a chain on any chainsaw. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So the chain on my chainsaw needs to be replaced with a new one. It's extremely blunt and I'll leave sharpening it for another video. But for today we're going to replace it with a brand new one. I'll also show you guys at the end of this video here the difference between cutting with a fresh blade and with a dull one, to show you guys just how much difference there is. First thing you want to do is take an adjustable wrench or a socket set, and you need to remove the bolts here. So just simply loosen that one there off. It doesn't take too much effort. We don't want to remove this completely. Take a screwdriver and we're going to go to our chain tensioner. Now over here, if you have a look, we've got a little flathead slot right there. That is for our tensioner, and we're just going to back that off a little bit. And now we can undo this one here by hand. Put it on a side, and we're going to also remove the cover. Now just hold on to the bar while you remove that. Take that cover on the side, and now we're just going to simply remove the chain. It's pretty easy to remove. Just simply slide it off, take that bar out, and then we're going to remove the chain. Now the most trickiest part that most people tend to get stuck with is actually putting on the new chain and making sure you've got it in the right direction. So I'll show you guys quickly how to do that. So if we have a look at our new chain here, you just want to keep in mind the direction of the teeth. So if we have a close look there, you can see we've got a little pointy section here on the front. I'll rotate that around so you guys can see. Pointy section goes towards the front. Otherwise, if you put it backwards using the flat end towards the front, it simply won't cut. So all you need to do, you can do this a couple different ways. This is the way that I prefer to do it. I'll slide it on here first. Then we take our bar, drop that one there in, tuck it underneath, and then we can simply put the chain over the top. Now with the chain, just make sure everything's running in nicely all the way down to the bottom. Once we're down here, we'll put a little bit of tension on that chain. So now we can take that cover, drop that straight back on top, and we just want to also keep in mind that this little pin here, which is our tensioning pin, needs to go into the actual hole. So just make sure you line that one there up. Make sure it goes into that hole, hold it down, and then we can put this nut back on, hand tight. We're not going to go all the way just yet. We're going to work on our adjustment now. So to get the right tension on your chainsaw, the first thing you want to do is check your bar and see how much play you've got there. You can see my one has minimal play and it has no effect on the chain right there. Some brands or some models will have a bit of an impact on the actual chain. So just make sure that you've got minimal play there. If you do have a bit of play, lift that bar up and tighten it with the bar in the up position. Now what we want to do here is get our chain to actually touch the bottom. So we'll simply tighten that one there up. You want to make sure that it springs back into that original position. And what we want to also look for is the top here. Make sure it's got a nice snap and that you can't actually see the base of the teeth here. So about 3/4 of that tooth. And that's looking pretty good where it is there. We'll simply tighten that one there up. Flip it on its side. And we'll just quickly check, make sure everything runs nice and free. And that's how you get the right tension on your chain. So there you have it, guys. That's just how easy it is to replace a chain. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.